Hi, hamjambo. My name is Tua. Let's speak some Swahili. Tafadhali nipe. Please give me. Nataka. I want. Napenda. I like or love. Ningependa. I would like. Chakula. Food. Kahawa. Coffee. Maziwa. Milk. Maji. Water. Chai. Tea. Mkate na siagi, bread and butter. Sukari na chumvi, sugar and salt. Nina kiu na njaa, I am thirsty and hungry. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good time.